Today's a brand new episode on Pets Got Talent. Today with my partner and good friend Audi are going to demonstrate exactly what she's showing right now. Cats Got Talent.
Whoa.
She is able to do almost the amazingest of tasks. Jumping, jumping, jumping. You know, that's pretty average until you show you this. That's the hunting lizard. And then she fiercely pulls out her claws. See that? She just pulled it right out of my hands. See that? But she doesn't like it. She only likes a challenge. Come on, Audi. Show me what you can do. See, she grabs it. She doesn't like it. She won't let go ever unless...
Let's see her jump.
And you know what she just did? She just broke it. And that's the episode for today.
Okay, thank you.